sorry about that, everybody. My video got cut off, so where I left off, I was doing this one. So I'm just going to continue these lines. Just kind of curve them. Make sure you get the same curve as a volleyball. Don't want the lines to be straight. You can tell this does not take very long. It may look like a lot of work, but it's really not. You can just take this plain old trinket and just make it so much cuter. One more line. Okay. That's it. How cute is that? I've got two trinkets that were plain and now they're all blinged up. Now on this black one, I could do this black mesh. It's a little bit, or diamond mesh, sorry. It's a little bit bigger than the silver, so it would fit in there better than the silver would. I'll show you what the silver would look like. There's a lot of space in there. But you could use that one as well. I think the black looks better on the black. Or of course you could do the little stones going all the way down in clear, or I've got them in black and orange. So there's what the clear would look like. I think I'll just use this black mesh, and I'm just going to use these little pieces that I had left over from something else. Never throw this stuff away, because you will find a use for it. I've got one individual, which is perfect for there. And see, I have a 3. So I'll put it in the middle, and then I need one more, and I've got an individual right there. Look at that. So how much cuter that is. And you know, girls love sparkle, or most of them do, so anything you can do like that to add to it, it adds value to your mom, and it just makes it, you know, a step above everybody else's. I'll show you real quick on this one. I think I'll do the small diamond mesh because that's such a small gap. So I'm just gonna again put some glue there and do 4. Then I'll just want to do 1. I can fit, I think 2 is going to be it. So I know I need 4 there. Cut that off. And it's a little bit smaller on that side, so I only needed 3. It's a good thing about this stuff, it's so easy to cut. And then I'll put 1 right there. And let's see, it should be about the same on this one too, with 2. Yep. Well, actually, I think I can fit 3 on that side. Of course, on boys' mums, they're not going to want all this bling. But there you go. There's another one all blinged up. Okay, we'll go ahead and work on this one. I'll show you. Like I said, I'm just kind of fitting some of those in there, like the big ones, to see what I can fit. And then fill them in with the little ones. Here's a smaller black one, so that should fit, yes. So what I'll do is just, easier said than done. It's the only thing I hate about these things, they're so hard to pick up. Just press that down. I always start with the big ones. If you only have one size, then just fill it in as much as you can with one size. But you can buy these in multiple packs with different sizes, and you can get this clear, or you can get different colors. I actually found these at Halloween. So I always check seasonal departments at craft stores, especially when the season is over and they put everything on clearance. And some of them can be really close together, some can be spread out. Just whatever pattern you want to make. I'm just doing kind of a random pattern here. See how it turns out. One thing I hate about hot glue, it gets everywhere. It's gonna have to go there. So you can see this one taking shape. Hot glue off there. So I just need to keep filling in with some smaller ones. I think I can fit. I want another clear one is what I want. I can't find one. Yeah. I want to make sure I'm getting equal amounts of the colors everywhere. Oh, I think that's as many big ones as I can get in. I've got all these small ones. And what I'll do is I'll just put the hot glue there because that's so small I don't want to try and hot glue that, the back of that. I got a black one. And I'll do a black one here. And I have these all turned over so it'll be easy to grab. Another clear one. Orange. And I've got them sorted out, turned over and sorted out so it'll be easy to grab. I think another black one. You can see this. I mean, it doesn't take a whole lot of time. It certainly doesn't take any talent. Clean off some of the hot glue. I want another black one right there. I can fit a couple more in there somewhere. Little ones, but I mean, that just, to me, that is so cute, and that just adds so much to your mom by doing simple things like this. And you know, these kids want to be different. They want their moms to have something special and something different on it. So whatever you can do to just jazz it up or make it your own, I highly recommend it. I try not to make any two mums the same. So, you know, I'll make this one like this, and I may do another one with all orange or all black or something, just to change them up a little bit. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.